Introduction to Google Workspace. In the world of modern collaboration and productivity tools, Google Workspace stands out as a versatile suite of applications designed to enhance communication, streamline work processes, and foster teamwork. Formerly known as G Suite, Google Workspace encompasses a range of powerful apps that cater to businesses, educational institutions, and individuals. This article serves as a comprehensive tutorial, guiding you through the basics of Google Workspace and how to effectively utilize its tools for enhanced productivity. What is Google Workspace? Google Workspace is a cloud-based collection of productivity and collaboration applications developed by Google. It includes a variety of tools that cover communication, document creation, data storage, and much more. This suite is designed to facilitate seamless interaction among team members, regardless of their physical location. Key applications in Google Workspace. Gmail. The popular email service by Google allows you to send and receive emails with advanced organizational features and customizable labels. Google Drive. A cloud storage platform where you can store, access, and share files, documents, presentations, and more. Google Docs. An online word processing application that enables collaborative document creation, editing, and real-time commenting. Google Sheets. A spreadsheet application for creating and analyzing data with powerful formulas, charts, and collaboration features. Google Slides. A presentation application for crafting visually engaging slideshows and presentations that can be easily shared and collaborated on. Google Meet. A video conferencing tool that enables virtual meetings, webinars, and screen sharing for remote collaboration. Google Calendar. A scheduling and time management tool that helps you organize events, set reminders, and share schedules with others. Google Forms. A survey and data collection tool that allows you to create custom forms and gather responses seamlessly. How to use Google Workspace. Step 1. Set up Google Workspace account. 1. Visit the Google Workspace website. 2. Choose a suitable plan for your needs and follow the sign-up process. 3. Set up your domain and user accounts. Step 2. Explore the dashboard. 1. Log in to your Google Workspace account. 2. Navigate to the dashboard where you'll find all the applications neatly organized. Step 3. Use Google Applications. Gmail. Manage your emails, organize labels, and use filters to keep your inbox organized. Google Drive. Upload files, create folders, and use the sharing options to collaborate with others. Google Docs. Create documents, collaborate in real time, and utilize formatting tools. Google Sheets. Build spreadsheets, input data, and generate charts for analysis. Google Slides. Craft presentations with text, images, and multimedia elements. Google Meet. Schedule and join virtual meetings, share your screen, and collaborate remotely. Google Calendar. Set up events, share calendars, and manage your schedule. Google Forms. Create surveys or forms to collect data and feedback. Step 4. Collaborate effectively. 1. Share documents, sheets, and slides with team members. 2. Use commenting and suggesting features for collaborative editing. 3. Utilize version history to track changes and revert to previous versions if needed. Step 5. Access on different devices. 1. Download mobile apps for Google Workspace on iOS or Android devices. 2. Access your files and applications on different devices with internet connectivity. Step 6. Explore additional features. 1. Explore Google Workspace Marketplace for integrations and add-ons. 2. Learn about advanced features like Google Workspace Admin Console for managing accounts. Conclusion. Google Workspace offers a comprehensive set of tools that can significantly enhance your productivity and collaboration efforts. From efficient email management to collaborative document editing and seamless virtual meetings, Google Workspace empowers individuals and teams to work together regardless of their location. By following this tutorial, you can harness the full potential of Google Workspace and leverage its applications to streamline your work processes and achieve greater efficiency.